The second-generation Volkswagen T-Roc could become the brand's final combustion engine model, depending on market condition. Based on the Golf platform, the refreshed crossover features a completely redesigned exterior that aligns it more closely with the larger Tiguan. Inside, it adopts a modernized touchscreen-focused cabin, while the powertrain lineup includes petrol and hybrid options. The new T-Roc has grown in every dimension. It now measures 4,373mm in length, 1,828mm in width, and 1,562mm in height, with a 28mm increase in wheelbase to 2,631mm. These changes promise improved interior space and a stronger road presence. Styling remains unmistakably Volkswagen, characterized by sharp lines and clean surfaces. The front end is dominated by a large blacked-out grille with C-shaped surrounds and a gloss black lower bumper element. At the rear, a two-tone bumper incorporates a diffuser-style design. Buyers can choose from bold new exterior colors, while wheel sizes now extend up to 20 inches. Internationally, the T-Roc is offered in 4 trims: Base, Life, Style and R-Line, with additional option packages available. Inside, Volkswagen has addressed previous criticisms by introducing higher quality materials. A new fabric trim spans the dashboard, complemented by silver finished door handles reminiscent of Tesla's emergency releases. Ambient lighting filters through perforated leather-look door panels to create a more premium atmosphere. A 10-inch digital instrument cluster with 2 customizable display modes come as standards. Buyers can choose between 10.4-inch and 12.9-inch freestanding infotainment screens, both running Volkswagen's latest software. This system features customizable shortcuts and a ChatGPT-powered voice assistant. Climate controls have been fully integrated into the touchscreen, while illuminated touch-sensitive sliders beneath the display handle volume and temperature adjustments. The T-Roc also adopts the Tiguan's experience dial on the center console, allowing drivers to switch between audio control, driver modes, and ambient lighting themes. Optional features include a head-up display, a ventilated wireless smartphone charger, a 14-way power-adjustable driver's seat with massage function, dual USB-C ports, a Harman Kardon system, and a gear selector relocated to a stock on the right side of the steering column. Power comes from 2 petrol engine choices at launch. A 1.5-litre 4-cylinder mild hybrid engine is offered in 115 brake horsepower and 150 brake horsepower outputs, while a 2.0-litre mild hybrid engine with all-wheel drive will join the range later this year. All variants are paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission.